All right, so tomorrow's Independence Day. How old are we? 57. Why am I older than Jamaica? I can't believe it. And each year, the celebrations only get bigger and better. And here to tell us what to expect at the stadium for Grand Gala, the Honourable Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, and JCDC's Director of Events, Management and Production, Mr. Gregory Sims. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Neville.
Great
How
to
are
see
you
you.
this morning?
Can't complain, ma'am. Give thanks. Great to see you, sir.
Morning, morning.
So this is the end of the season, the Grand Gala.
Yes, this is the culmination of all that we have done since last year leading up to this year, because, you know, immediately after the celebrations, we're going to planning.
Yeah. Why is this important?
It's important because we have to celebrate who we are, what we have achieved. We have to reflect. And there are milestone activities and achievements over time that we must highlight. And of course, this is a chance when the nation comes together. This year's theme or motto is One Nation, One People. We have diverse cultural origins, but we come together as a nation to celebrate.
I find every year, I'm not working this year, Sim will be doing that, but I find every year you seem to add something to it. I mean, we had the motorcyclists and we had the this and we had that. Something will be added this year also?
We always have to be creative, always. This year, we launched the UN declared International Decade for People of African Descent. And President Uhuru Kenyatta of Kenya will be our special guest. And he, along with the Prime Minister, will be launching, the acronym is IDPAD, officially launching. So our focus...
What's the acronym?
IDPAD, I-D-P-A-D.
Okay.
International Decade for People of African Descent.
Okay.
And this was declared by the United Nations.
Beautiful.
So we will have a strong emphasis on the achievements of people of African origin. And within that context, we will look at Jamaican music. We have a segment that speaks to Black American music. And we will look at the focus on Marcus Garvey, who is the father of Pan-Africanism.
Yep.
And at the same time, our fashion theme is roots and culture. So we are saying, as a country with diverse ethnic elements, we are saying, wear your roots. So if you're an Indian, you wear your sari. You know, come out in your African wear, come out in whatever you see as your roots and your culture.
Sir Greg, thousands of people involved in this. How difficult, how easy is this for you to put together? Well, not necessarily just you personally, but how easy it is to put all the dancers and the entertainers and the army people, and how difficult is that?
It's a well choreographed dance with an expert and experienced team that works at pulling together a cast and crew of about 3,000 people.
3,000?
Yeah, man, and dancers, actors, uniformed groups, and that sort of thing. They've been rehearsing now for almost 2 months to get the gala ready in terms of performance quality and costume designers and all of that. But led artistically by Trevor Nairn, a very hard-working team with some of our top choreographers and writers, and thread together a very creative and interesting program that Jamaicans can be very proud of.
Yeah, and when we're proud every year, how are these folks chosen? Because I know you get some primary school kids involved and dance groups involved.
You know what is so good about this Neville? We involve over 13 communities, corporate area, and the Plains of St. Catherine. And these youngsters are, you know, we go into communities that are considered dangerous inner city communities. We go and we find those kids. We get team leaders in those areas. And we send choreographers into those areas to train them. So after the festival and after the independence celebrations, you find persons coming out of there who we find talent, we discover talent. They go on to doing bigger things and better things.
Great.
But what it does too is involve the communities. The dressmaker makes a little money, the tailor makes a little money. the cookman, the cook shop makes some money. So it is sort of an experience that brings everybody together.
Okay.
And the communities look forward to it.
Yeah, you said, well, you didn't say it, it's at the stadium, and these are my words. Is there a lesser event in Montego Bay happening at the same time?
What
As
we
I said,
have
that
done
lesser
is
is my word.
to introduce a Western Gala.
Right.
We have had a Western Gala before, but a different kind of thing. We had activities in Western Jamaica. This time, we've taken it into Catherine Hall, and we have put on a mini, what one would say is a mini gala. It will take time to build out, but Kingston is not Jamaica.
Right.
And so we felt it was necessary to build something in Western Jamaica, and I know that's going to grow. We had 200 kids dancing on the field, and we had a number of entertainers participating. So the Western Gala tried it this year, and we're going to ensure we mobilize people to attend, and it will become
so
bigger.
it's kind of a smaller
It's a smaller version, a mini version.
I noticed here at the National Stadium, Coffee, Judy Moat, Sister Pat, Minister Marion Hall, Kukudu, Sizzla Kolanji, Beanie Man, and the list goes on.
Coffee? You said coffee?
I said coffee. There's
Right.
from the festival song, Winner will be there. You're doing something special for a couple of these artists also?
Yes, we're honoring two of our world-renowned artists. Rita Marley, who is no longer performing, member of the I3, and we want to recognize her for her work, not just as an artist, but also as someone who has a social conscience. She's done a lot of work in Ghana and similarly in Jamaica. So she will be recognized as one of our cultural icons. We're also recognizing Sizzla. And Sizzla will be performing. The Prime Minister will hand them their citation. Citation will be read, and they will respond. Yep. I must tell you that Sizzla is coming in with an entourage of 120 bikers.
120 bikers.
Yes.
You like that. You like that.
I love that.
What time do we start? What time does it end, sir?
6 o'clock. Gates open from 3. So invite everybody to come on now. We should wrap
and
up.
to come early.
Come early. And we should wrap up at about 9 o'clock.
Yeah, what about the Western one? What time does that start?
The Western Gala was held on Sunday.
Oh, okay. I thought
but on the 6th,
yeah,
they're going to have a float parade, and they're going to end up in, I think, Sam Shop Square, where you're going to have a lot of excitement.
Okay.
Yes.
Minister, I've had 1 million calls for tickets. Where you get them from?
Gregory?
You look like you're about to tell me, say, you can't get none anymore.
Well,
tickets are sold out, but there may be a few left at Tasties.
At Tasties.
And also in the village.
That's right.
So you can just walk in and say, I want a ticket, or you have to go buy something to get the ticket, or what? You can just walk in the Tasties
you
and
just
say,
walk in and you ask for your ticket.
Is there a limit? I can get 10?
As many that's available.
Oh.
You know, you can get. Tickets are limited now.
Yeah,
I think we're pretty well sold out, but they can try.
Yeah, man.
Right? And you go in the village, you may be able to get a few.
All right.
And we have facilities set up in the National Arena and in the village itself so that
you can watch
public can come and enjoy.
And the vibes will be great inside and outside.
So 6 to 9, gates open at 3.
That's right.
And you don't pay to come in, so a man can come and say, I have my money, I want to pay to come in.
And nobody must buy tickets. I know from time to time people try a thing outside. Don't buy those tickets. They're not for sale, and it won't get you in any faster, any sooner, or if we close off, it won't get you in. So don't go buy tickets from anybody. Fireworks as usual.
Yeah, man. And then August 7, you start planning for next year.
We start planning. And what a lot of people don't know, we have the Festival of Arts. So we start plan right after, where we go and we unearth the talent across the island.
Beautiful.
And train them. And then we have the Festival of Arts competition, where we select our gold, silver, bronze, and give certificates for performances in all the art forms. Yeah. And then those are showcased during the Independence celebration in the merry-go-round and the other such events.
I was going to say, thank goodness you'll get some rest after, but I doubt it.
Wow, we go to Carry Festa right after.
Your other hats.
The largest delegation ever. We'll be going to Carry Festa.
Good to see you, man. Good to
Thanks,
see you.
Neville.
I just want to remind the public, though, use designated parking areas when they come to the Grand Gala, please, and no weapons allowed.
All right.
Yeah. No umbrellas with points or anything like that.
Of course, we will have it live, and as we said, Sim Simmer will be the only host. They usually use two of us, but them say she's so good. They don't need anybody much. All right, the Honourable Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, and JCDC's Director of Events Management and Production, Mr. Gregor Sims. More on Smile when we come back. Soon come, stay with us.
Let us stop for a minute.